Oh, hi there. It is me, the Dando Man. Welcome to Talking Smart to the Dando Man. Thank you very much for joining me today, as I'll be explaining the basic terminology which is involved with the law of contract. Let's not waste any time. Let's get to it. So what is a contract? Well, a contract is an agreement between two or more persons who have the intention of creating rights and responsibilities or obligations under the contract. The contract has to meet certain legal requirements in order for it to be valid and binding in terms of the law. The contracting parties are known as the creditor and debtor. The creditor is someone who has the right to receive performance under the contract. The debtor is someone who has an obligation to deliver the performance under the contract. In most contracts, the contracting parties are both the creditor and the debtor. These contracts are known as reciprocal contracts, which means that each party has an obligation to deliver some sort of performance and also has a right to claim performance from the other party. In some contracts, there is only one contracting party who is the debtor and the other contracting party is the creditor, which means that one has an obligation to perform while the other has a right to receive or claim performance from the other party. These are called unilateral contracts. So what is an obligation? An obligation may be defined as a legal bond in terms of which the party or parties on one side have a right to a performance and the party or parties on the other side have a duty to render that performance. So for example, Mike sells his bike to Harvey, and so a contract of sale is created. And so the contract of sale creates a legal bond between Mike and Harvey. So Mike has an obligation to deliver the bike to Harvey, while Harvey has an obligation to pay Mike for the purchase price of the bike. Mike has the right to receive the payment by Harvey, while Harvey has the right to have the bike delivered to him by Mike. So what is performance? Well, performance refers to human conduct which may consist of the following: giving of something. For an example, when Mike has to deliver the bike to Harvey. 2. The doing of something. The building of a house by a construction company for a client. 3. Not doing something. For an example, in a contract of lease, a tenant may agree not to sublet the leased premises. Number 4. Tolerating something. For example, when you rent out your premises, you tolerate the use of your land by the tenants. If you gain value from this video, please do like, share, comment on it, and subscribe to my channel in order to gain more videos like this. Thank you very much for joining me. This is me, the Dando Man. The best there is, there was, and there is, the best there is, there was, and there is to come. Remember, you'll never turn your dreams into a reality while you're still asleep.